What's going on, everybody? Monte Weaver here, and welcome to the channel. But if you're brand new, I want to introduce myself. I help you navigate the world of digital, tech, and social media. And so if you need assistance in any of those areas, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you receive an alert every time I upload a brand new video. Today, we are focused on Amazon Live, and they continue to provide us with updates so that we can continue to improve our live streaming on the platform. Now, if you haven't tapped into Amazon live streaming, I'm going to link to a video above. That way you can check out the basics of getting started on Amazon. But if you've already been live streaming for a little while, they've given us more information on how we can get more followers, improve the quality of our streams, and they're giving us some graphic templates to enhance the overall presence of our live stream broadcasts to make us look even better. So today we're gonna jump into the computer, we're gonna actually look at the documentation that they've provided to us, and we're going to see how we can leverage this for our Amazon live stream broadcast. So come on and let's take a look. Now, if you're subscribed to the Amazon Live email list, you saw this email. Exciting news, just released the new live streaming education hub for influencers. And in this email, you can see that they've given us updates on the follow guide, the production best practices, and the graphics and overlays. Now let's take a look at all three of these brand new updates. Now let's take a look at the follow guide. This will actually take us to the Amazon.com site, specifically the Creator Education Hub. And again, all the information that I talk about on these videos will be in the description section. So make sure that you check that out to get direct URLs and direct links, which is also inside of our Facebook group. This is a section about connecting and engaging with your audience. You really want to connect and engage with your audience because this is going to allow you to have more people see your live streams when you go live. And the more people that see your live streams means the more people that are going to potentially buy the products that you're talking about in your carousel and other products as they're just surfing around Amazon, which all is beneficial to you because as part of the Amazon Influencer Program, you get commissions. So now let's check out the engagement guide and we'll select download. And as you can see, Amazon provides us with their guide. And if you've gone through our Facebook group, you've seen that these guides are pretty similar. They're pretty easy to navigate through. And this one specifically talks about the engagement. Now, for utilizing your network, you want to make sure, number one, that you ask your followers what they want to see you stream about. And I know this is something that is huge for me. I talk a lot about digital and tech gear, and I always still make sure to ask, what does my audience want to see? Number two is to use tools like Discord to help form them. So this is different outlets that you're able to allow your audience to know that you're live streaming on the platform. Number three is to tell your audience when to tune in. So you want to make sure that you let your audience know when you are going to go live to get the most engagement. On Instagram, remember to tag at Amazon Live for a chance to get reposted on Amazon Live stories to help boost visibility. Now that's huge, especially if you're using Instagram. And then we have the connect with your audience section. Number one is to stay with your niche most of the time. And again, if there's a particular industry that you're talking about certain products, you want to make sure that you more so focus on those products because your audience will know why they're tuning in on a regular basis. Number two is to personalize the viewer's experience with chat. Keep in mind that there is a chat feature. The more people chat and participate with you, the more that you understand your audience. Number three is to be authentic and, of course, be yourself. You don't want to be some character on live streaming. Number four is to reintroduce yourself on longer live streams. And this is important because as new people are joining your live stream, as you're gaining a new audience, you want to make sure that you let them know who you are as people are tuning in to your broadcast as you're streaming. I like to stream for 60 minutes and I'll reintroduce myself a few times during that live stream and let people know who I am and what they're watching. Number 5 is to get your viewers excited about your next live stream. You want to tease your live stream by sharing a quick summary of what you plan to talk about. So for my next live stream, I've already got it set up. I've already got the date and the time. I let my current live stream audience know that I'm going to be doing another live stream tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so they know to show up, and they know that I'm going to be talking about different cameras. So it gives them a reason to show up ahead of time. Now we're going to jump down to the be consistent section, and this talks about creating a regular schedule. This is important. You don't want to be random on live streaming. Again, this is a great way for your audience to know when to show up. And number 2 here talks about streaming for longer time periods. As you want to sell more products on Amazon to earn those bigger commissions, you want to stay on longer. 5-minute live streams just don't cut it. I highly recommend that you live stream for at least 60 minutes at a time. That way you can maximize your time on the platform. The next section we'll take a look at is the production best practices. Again, this will bring you to the Amazon Live website. Again, links will be in the video description. And this talks about upgrading your video production. This is a big piece of making sure that your live streams just look great. There are video tutorials here that will allow you to navigate through and watch these, and these are Amazon's best practices to improve your lighting, to improve your audio, and actually setting up your space for live streaming. Lighting is important because it allows your audience to have a better visual of the video. The framing is important. You want to make sure that you're not cutting off your head or cutting off different products as you're displaying them. And your overall space gives us a good representation of your presentation. You want to make sure things are clean and tidy and neat around you. All of these different elements allow your viewers to have a better overall experience. There's also a video about live streaming software. Now, I personally use a software called Wirecast, but I've also done a video here on YouTube about a free live streaming platform called Open Broadcaster Studio, also known as OBS. So I'll link to that video. Make sure you check that out if you want to level up your production value. You can live stream to Amazon from your smartphone or from your computer. And if you use your computer, you have the ability to bring in production level quality live streaming software. Now we'll check out the graphics and overlays. Now you'll see that on this page, it will give you information on the best practices guides, along with the promo code guides as well. Now, if you haven't taken time to look into the promo guides, I'll try to create another video about that specifically because those are great for your audience to have savings in real time. But we're going to actually scroll down here to the free graphics. And these are the graphics that you can use for your video production if you're going to use a platform like OBS or Wirecast or any other presentation software that allows you to create custom branded live streams. And as you can see, they provide you with different templates, different themes that you can use inside of your broadcasts. You also have the ability to add logos to your social media content to promote your upcoming streams. And one of those logos just happens to be streaming on Amazon Live, which is awesome. So definitely check out all the cool updates that Amazon Live has provided for us. These easy to read guides, these easy to access sites allow us to step up our presentation on Amazon and really leverage the platform in 2021. Now, if this video has been helpful for you learning more about Amazon Live, check out the description below this video. In there, you're going to find how you can get inside of our Facebook community group where we have Amazon Live creators there to support each other and to help each other grow on the platform. You'll also find the Mastermind community. Now, this is a private, exclusive mastermind that I run to help entrepreneurs and business owners leverage the power of digital and social media. And Amazon Live is just one of the awesome tools that you can use to help grow your exposure, to grow your brand and grow your business. And they allow you to monetize on the platform through the Amazon Associates program, which is great as well. So make sure you check out the rest of these videos on the channel and look forward to seeing you in the next video.